Live swatch video, live swatch, I got you. Hello, 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 Chi Chi here and welcome back to my channel. It's my Ray Ray. She has done it again. She teamed back up with BH Cosmetics to work on this brand new palette, which is looking scrumdiddlyumptious. But before we get into the new palette, let's revisit a little bit of her first baby. She launched this palette last year, retailed for $22.50, and it was a total hit. Now, this palette is a little bit different because this palette included the 15 standard shades, 3 highlighters, and 3 contour shades, which in case you missed it and you're a little new to my crew, I did a full swatch video of everything in this palette. I'm gonna link it up right here just in case you get your hands on this and you wanna see what's up. So this is the brand new palette. It retails for $17.50, which is a little cheaper than the first palette, and it's available on BH Cosmetics and Ulta.com. If you buy it from Ulta, you can use your $3.50 coupon. I'm just saying. Here is the palette. Unfortunately, my nail got to it first. Visually, this palette is stunning. Here are both of the palettes side by side, and you could tell it is completely different. I dug into a second shade. Oh my gosh. Let's talk a tiny bit about this palette before we hop into the swatches. So this first row is a neutral girl's dream. I appreciate the fact that she gave us 2 shimmers and 3 transition shades. So you have a nice little choice of how you want to build up that crease color. So for me, the most interesting part about this palette are these 2 rows. And how many times have you gotten a palette and you're just like, man, I wish this was a shimmer shade, or damn, I wish this was a matte shade. I love the fact that she pretty much made a corresponding shade for the colors, which is pretty dope in my opinion. So my lids are prepped with a little bit of concealer and a tiny bit of setting powder. This is what I would normally do if I were doing a eye look. So that's what I'm gonna do between each of the shades. First shade we're gonna start off with is Shining. This looks like a really nice coppery bronze shade, going on pretty pigmented. This color is pretty cool. Like, in the mirror, I kind of see like blue flecks in it, like a bluish purple fleck in it. That's pretty nice. It's great for someone who likes neutrals but has a little pop of little extra. Up next, we're gonna take Top Notch right on the other side of the lid. This is a cool little melon, full of pigment, and I didn't even wet my brush. So I'm gonna flip my brush over just so you guys know this brush that I'm using is from her collection, which is also available. It definitely makes it a little bit more metallic for both sides. This side is a neutral girl's best friend. This one gives me almost sunset vibes. You got that orange and that pink, which is really, really nice. Next, we're gonna go into Brick, and it looks like one of those orangey type of transition shades. Okay, hello. Nice of you to join us. This is a lot of pigment. Oh, wow. Did not expect that at all. And it's blending out really nicely on the edges. Can we get into this pigment, darling? Like, whew. Okay, really like it. It's a beautiful transition shade in the crease. It's a tiny bit darker than what I thought it was going to be. I don't know what the hell I was thinking, but yeah, it's a beautiful color. So next we're gonna take Bark, and that's exactly what my neighbor's dog is doing. Barking. Ooh, just look how much is on this. Oh girl, these mattes though, wow. A lot of the times mattes have a hard time showing up, but oh, she checked in early to her job. Oh, okay. Wow, look at that. It's gorgeous. This is a bomb color. This is my favorite matte so far. This one is my favorite matte thus far. Bark, beautiful. The final shade in the first row is going to be Cacao, and it's going to be a dark, deep chocolate shade. Oh my God. This is not life, man. These are blending like a freaking dream. Like, do you see the blendation of it all? Come on, B. Come on, Ray. I ain't even get to the colors yet, and I'm all for it. This is like the perfect chocolatey, smoky, sultry, brown eye situation going on right here. I really dig this color. So far, we're good. For the second and third row, what I think I'm gonna do is, instead of going horizontally like I normally would, I'm gonna go vertically so you guys can see both of the colors right next to each other. The first color in the second row is Golden Girl. Yeah, this one you definitely have to pack on just a little bit more, but once you do get it there, she is there. I think this is one of the colors that you'll definitely benefit from foiling. Oh yeah, spritz your brush with this one. It comes out so much better. I'm not hugely into like gold colors like this, but this definitely reminds me of Trophy Wife. If you like Trophy Wife and don't want to buy the bigger one, I would get this palette just for this color. This is definitely Trophy Wife approved, or adjacent, I should say. We're gonna go into the third row, first color, and this is Canary. Canary yellow, like diamonds. It's probably because of my skin tone that it looks a little bit darker on my eyelid versus the pan. However, it is a really nice yellowy mustard, spicy mustard. I feel like this would show up a lot more if you had a lighter base. If you're going for a look that needs a yellow, this is a really nice yellow though. It's not so in your face, but it's definitely a little bit more subdued. They're not exact like shades. It's definitely a smidge or two different from each other as far as impact goes. And now that I'm looking at the palette, I'm thinking that the mattes are gonna be a little bit deeper than the shimmer shades. And moving right along, we're gonna go into Scarlet, which is this nice burgundy-ish, reddish color. Oh, please someone call the paramedics, because I was not ready. It doesn't take much to impress me with a shimmer shade, but I like this shade a lot. Like, get into it. Ooh, that's a little messed up. Don't mind me. I just need you to see the color. This is gonna look fire with the brush spritz. Yup. Yeah. Once you spritz your brush, it just, boop, it adds so much extra to it. Oh, I really did a number over here. Girl. This shade though, don't mind this little section right here, okay? We're not looking for perfection, we're looking for swatches. This color is really, really gorgeous. Pink, but not like so pink where it's just like, oh God, it's pink. I'm in love with this color. Shining is still top spot, but Scarlet, it's a beautiful like reddish, pinkish magic going on. So the second color in the third row is Flare, and let's see if it's gonna give us a beautiful flare. I'm not finding any parts where it's, you know, deeper in the crease. This is a really consistent color. This is a beautiful combination. I think she was taking the monochromatic like type of route, so that's very much so in, and yeah, you'll definitely be able to achieve those looks. I really love Flare. Moving right along to the third color in the second row, and this is Charmed. I have yet to meet a purple that I did not like. This purple though, purple reminds me like something straight out of the 80s. Like, I want to be with Lisa and the Cult Jam. If you don't know who they are, yeah, you're young. With or without the spritz, it's to me the same for the most part. It just made it a hair more reflective, but nothing like the way Scarlet did, where you just saw it like really metallicized. Is that the word? It's mine now. Well, this one didn't really metallicize, but it is a really, really nice purple. I'm not sure if I have anything quite like this. She cute though. She cute. I think paired with that yellow, it might be a problem. It might be a problem. Going in with the third color in the third row, and this is Majesty for all you royals out there. Are you guys still with me? Because I mean, if you are, you might as well just hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you know when I upload. I mean, if you want to be, you know, royals with this color, you know, Majesty. See what I did there? I just have a little bit, it's not like quite picking up. I'm gonna try to pat it in this time. It's slightly, very, very slightly like not picking up, but it's not enough to be like, oh, this is a shitty shade. Like, absolutely not. This color though, let's get into it. Like, I dig this color. I really do. This color is starting to grow on me. I don't know, right? I don't know. This is pretty good. This is pretty good. So these last 4 shades are the colors that I'm like literally the most excited about. So we're gonna start off with the 4th color in the second row, and this is Sapphire. I'm pretty impressed that there's not a lot of fallout, like, and we're almost finished. I think I was impressed with that with her first palette. There wasn't too much fallout, but baby, let's get into this Sapphire color. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, we're getting into it. Yes, metallic, yes. Oh, give it to me. I want every ounce of it. This color does it for me. I love this color, really, really dig it. We're gonna go right into Cobalt, which is the corresponding matte shade. The blues are definitely giving me the most fallout of all of the colors because I'm doing literally the same thing to each one. All of my 80s life together right now. Ooh, it's the candy. Yeah, so if you're gonna do your whole face, I definitely put some under eye powder on, or just do your eyes first with the blues, because both sides I definitely had a little bit of fallout. But the fact that we're what, 13 shades in and I'm just now getting fallout, I am not complaining, boo. Let's keep it pushing. Let's finish up strong. Here is the 5th and final color in row 2, and it is called Showgirl. With this particular green, this is one of those greens that it's grungy green. It's a gunmetal green. That's what I kind of want to call this. Gunmetal green, absolutely. Let's foil this puppy up. Yep, way better. I've seen this color before, but I think with other brands, it's a little greener, but it's got it's got some flavor to it, where it's not minty green, but it's not like foresty green or money green. It's cool. It's cool. It's cool. I like it. I like it. Are you sad? I'm sad. Here is the final shade, and it is called Ambitious, and it's looking like a teal, like a dark teal. Oh, that's what we doing? Oh my God. I'm not ready. I'm not ready. Let's talk about this color though. This is forest green compared to this one. This is forest. Just like the blues, I'm getting the fallout with this, but it blends out so good. Come on here, I don't need your troubles right now. That's the way to end it. That's the way to freaking end it. Like, out of all of them, probably the patchiest. Like I have a little piece right here that didn't quite pick up. I'm sure if I can build it up a little. Just pack it on and you'll be able to really pick it up. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. This is the part of the video that I look like a hot mess express, but it is all worth it. For $17.50, I believe that this palette is a great addition, especially for you new makeup artists and enthusiasts. I really like the shades that she picked. They're really, really nice. I love the fact that you have a corresponding matte and shimmer shade, which I think is pretty dope. Yeah, Ray, you did it again. I'm pleasantly surprised. I don't even know why I'm saying pleasantly surprised. Like we knew what's up. I really hope this video helped some of you guys. If it did, definitely leave me a thumbs up. Comment down below if it truly did help you. And yeah, stay tuned for some looks with this palette, because definitely this palette is look worthy. And yeah, you can't see these videos unless you subscribe. Hit that notification button and follow me on my social media, and I will catch you in the next video. Stay comfy, guys. Bye.